Your ear, and then you'll bite just like her. Okay. In your ear, that triggers your reflex. It's the coughing nerve. The coughing nerve. Nerve. Don't move and don't talk.
When you put
a coughing nerve. Coughing nerve. Yeah, that's normal. You get tickle. You want to switch places? Are you the next one? You want to switch places? Tickle. Yeah, that's normal. The coughing nerve. Yeah, that's normal. Yeah, that's normal. Don't move and don't talk.